Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Do you have a mid-90s Ford Ranger? Anywhere from a 91 to 99 Ford Ranger with a 5-speed on a 4-cylinder with the 8 spark plugs. The clutch bolts, the 6 bolts that go all the way around holding your clutch plate to the flywheel or flex plate. Machine alignment tool goes in and out like butter. Shouldn't have any lube or oil on it at all. That thing should slide in and out like it's just on glass, that wet. Well, the bolts for your clutch assembly bolt into the flex plate. Those 6 bolts, you should use brand new ones if available. Always go forward, order them online, whatever you need to do. Secondly, this video is for the torque specs on those bolts. They are 50 to 55 foot-pounds, done in a cross pattern. So you can go there, then there, then there, then there, then there, then there. However cross pattern you like to do. But don't go around the clock. I personally like to go midway on my torque. Let's say it's 50 to 55. I usually torque them all at 50 and then go back and I'll retorque them all at like 52 and a half, 53. I don't ever personally like to go to the max on torque specs. I think it's bad for the bolts, even if they're brand new bolts. Hopefully y'all found this video useful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all have a great day.